Good morning, everyone. Math Grade 3, first term 2021-22. Chapter 2, Lesson 2, Part 1, Multiplication Strategies. Let's go now to have strategies for finding the product of any multiplication equation. As we learned before, any multiplication equations has parts. Each part has a name. First part here is called factor, and this part is called by or times, and this part here is called factor 2, and the last part after equal sign it will be the product of multiplication equation. Then any multiplication equation has factor, times sign, or by sign. Factor equals product. Factors by factors equal product. Okay, now let's go to know our strategies. We have multiple of strategies. First strategies, which is skip counting strategies, using our fingers or using number line or using 120 short. Second strategy, grouping. You use in grouping using arrays or using equal groups. And the last strategy, we have mental math strategy, using doubling, using keeping, or using strip diagram. Now let's go to revise each point. Let's go now to our first strategy, which is skip counting, using our fingers. If we have here our multiplication equation, which is called 3 by 2 equals what? Okay, I want to prove that 3 by 2 equals 6. If I use my finger, here we have, 3 parts in each finger. Okay, if I count here the first finger from left, 1, 2, 3 parts, it equals 3. 4, 5, 6 parts, it will be 6. If I count my fingers, it will be 3, 6. 3, 6. We have 3 numbers, and these numbers in 2 fingers, it will be 3, 6. Okay, then it will be like this. Then 3 by 2 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now 3 by 1 equals 3. 3 by 2 equals 6. Good job. Let's go to another strategy in skip counting using a number line. In any number line, we can begin from 0 or any number line as we learned before in line plot. Now we will count from 0. Now in this number line, if you notice that this number line is counting by 3, 0, and can't count 1 and 2 and count 3, skip 4 and 5 and count 6, skip 7 and 8 and count 9. Then each 3 steps we count to find our multiplication by 3. Then it will be like this. 2 hops forward, each hop is a 3 steps, like this. 1, 2, each hop is a 3 plus 3. Then 3 by 2 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. We reach here to number 6. Third strategy in skip counting using 120 short. We have here a 120 short. Okay, it seems like number line, but on 120 short. Here we have 2 jumps forward. Each jump is 3 steps, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3, 6 plus 3 plus 3, it will be 3, 6. Then 3 by 2 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good job. Let's go to second strategy, which is called grouping, using arrays. The name of this array, it will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2. In array, this 3 by 2 has a different meaning. Different meaning from our fingers or our number line or our 120 short. In array, we use yes. Okay, we use rows. We use rows. To read this array, we will read that 3 by 2, 3 rows, each row has 2 circles. 3 rows, each row has 2 circles, like this. We have 3 rows, and each row has 2 circles, like this. Now, to count, we will count by rows, not by columns. Okay, it will be addition equation by rows. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what? Equals 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, it will be 6. Now, in our multiplication equation, 3 by 2 equals 6. Okay, then in array, we use, yes, our name from this array, 3 by 2, which is means 3 rows, each row has 2 circles. Okay, then it will be 2, 4, 6. Good job. Now let's go to the second strategy. Yes, in grouping using equal groups. Yes, by rows. 3 groups with 2 circles in each group. We translate this multiplication equation in English using rows. We have 3 groups. Each group has 2 circles. Okay, like this. We have 3 groups. Into each group we will draw 2 circles, like this. To count these circles, we count by 2. 2, 4, 6. It will be our multiplication equation like this. 3 by 2 equals 6. Good job. Let's go now to third strategy, which is called mental math strategy. We have doubling, using doubling. Here we have 3 by 2. It means that, yes, we have, is there any doubles in these equations? Doubles mean by 2. Like double we learned before in primary 2. 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 2 equal 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8, and so on. Okay? Now, 3 by 2 equal what? If we have here 3 by 2 means 3 repeated 2 times. I can draw 3 in 2 times. Okay? Then we have doubling. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then, using doubling, we just search in table 2 or search on our doubling strategy. We learned it before in primary 2. Here we have another strategy in mental math using keeping. Keeping means you keep the multiplication facts of 3 in your own mind, using your own way, using skip counting, using arrays, using your fingers, using a number line as you want. But you must keep it well to find that in your fingers that 3 by 2 equals what? Like this.
Count by threes. 3, 6.
If you notice here in this song, we reach to 6 and stop because we hop just 2 steps forward. Each step is a 3, is counting by 3. 3 and 6. Until you reach 6, you stop. Then using keeping is an important strategy. Now let's go to the last strategy in mental math strategies using strip diagram. Strip diagrams means, yes, combine equal numbers together. It means that we use rows in arrays or combining groups in grouping, okay? Like this. To read this multiplication equation, we read that 3 groups, each group has 2 circles. In step diagram, it will be 3 parts, each part is 2. Like this. In our strip diagram, we divide this strip diagram into 3 parts. Then each part will have how many number? 2 number. 2 only. 3 by 2 means 3 parts. In each part we have 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Like this. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 6. Now let's go to conclude our strategies of multiplication. In here, in this multiplication equation, it means factor by factor equals product. Okay, we have three types of strategies. In each type, we have number of strategies. First one, we have skip counting using fingers or using number line or using 120 short. Second strategy, it's grouping using arrays or using equal groups. In last one, we have mental math strategies using doubling, you're using keeping, or using strip diagram. Excellent work. Have fun.